Good morning. Oh my god. Okay, so guess what? I'm late again and I have an exam today. I have to present my photography project. So let's get ready quickly and leave. I will probably be buying a coffee like there if I can. If not, I will try to make it right now. We'll see. So if you didn't know, my photography class, I chose to take photos of like doors at night with like minimum one source of light somewhere near that door. In that presentation, I have to like explain the theoric part of it, which is so difficult for me. But luckily, today it's like one of the last exams I have, and then on Thursday, I have my literally last exam, which is 3D design. I think it's currently like 8:25 or 30, but I will be leaving in 5 minutes, literally. Let's go. I am back home and I already made some lunch for myself, which I made some French toast with olive oil on top. So basically, let me tell you what and how it went. The exam, I did present well. I forgot like one, two things I had to say, but like the professor was asking questions after the presentation, like one question per person, something related to my work, and it was like the theoretic part of it. I was lucky enough to get an easy question, so I did answer it correctly. But yeah, it went well. I'm going to pass for sure. But yeah, I also bought this to try out because I'm not eating like sugar or anything this past days, and this is without sugar. It is sweet, but it's not like sugar, artificial sugar. So I'm going to try this after lunch and see how it goes. Of course, I'm not going to eat the whole packet in one day, and it is only when I'm like very hungry and I want to eat something like a snack. But yeah, it has chia seeds and it is like lemon flavor. But yeah, let's have lunch and then try out this, and afterwards, the plan is actually to finish and do my project of 3D design because on Thursday I have to like present that. But if I do finish that quickly, my plan is to then edit, and if I have time, which is optional this, is to record a video, which I don't think I will be having time. But I need to first of all finish my 3D design projects. But yeah, let's have lunch and be productive. I have finished finally my corrections of the 3 design which I had to hand in today, and I just did. It was literally from 2 p.m. Like right now I finished 7 p.m. I'm tired. I'm so tired. And now from that reference I have to make all the 3D like physical thing of all the signs. But yeah, I was just talking a bit with my friends to catch up because it's been a while since I talked because of exams and all that. But yeah, I will be having dinner in a bit and then continue to do my 3D design. And if I have time, as I told you, I will also be editing a video and upload it. But that's only if I have time or if I do make time. I didn't do anything from what I said basically. I worked out, which I forgot to tell you, but I did have to work out. And since I'm on my period, I did a light workout, not that much. I showered again, and now instead of making dinner, I was not that hungry. I'm eating like yogurt with dry fruits and seeds, chia seeds, and I think it was pumpkin seeds, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, this will be my dinner basically. But, anyways, after dinner, I will prepare the things I have to print for tomorrow. Now that I think about it, I had to tell like printing store before. And if I tell them now, they will make it for Thursday, and for Thursday I have to present. Oh my god, I really forgot. But anyways, we'll see if I can go like fetch it tomorrow. But I need to prepare the things for printing, and then tomorrow I will start the physical thing of the 3D design. Hopefully finish it tomorrow. I have to finish it tomorrow. And right now I also have time, so I will be preparing the presentation to present on Thursday. But yeah, let's go. Okay, so I don't know why I'm laughing, but I finished doing like the print stuff. I also sent it to the printing store, which of course they will not respond because it's very late. I will see in the morning if I can actually go to pick it up, but we'll see. And I also started doing the presentation and seeing what I have to see, like what I have to say in the moments. I'm going to finish tomorrow, but yeah. And now I'm going to watch a series, one episode, maybe one episode, two episodes, and then I'm going to sleep. It's currently 11:15. Maybe at 12:30 I will be falling asleep basically. So yeah, that is all for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it gave you motivation. If not, or hope you saw what you wanted to see as someone showing their life as a graphic design student. But anyways, good night. Bye bye.